It has never been easier to blow up on Instagram, especially if you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, looking to grow your business using social media and make more money. And if you've been struggling to grow on Instagram, get more views, get more followers, get more engagement, this might be the most important thing for you to pay attention to. And I'm going to share with you my 3-step framework for succeeding on Instagram that I've used with 7, 8, and 9-figure companies. And I currently right now manage a brand that does over 300 million views on Instagram every month. And I myself have built my audience to around 185,000 followers on Instagram, almost as a side hustle. And I don't say that as a way to minimize it. I say it because you don't really need that much time to have success. You just need the right things and you need to be pulling the right levers to do so. And that's what we're going to talk about today. And in front of me, I have my laptop with notes and I'm going to use that as a guide just to kind of help me structure this because it's easier than a teleprompter. And I've used a teleprompter in the past and I like it, but I want to use my laptop because it just kind of helps me flush out thoughts. Step number 1, format. And when I say format, I'm talking about a signature format, something that is repeatable and predictable. I need you to think of this like you're building your own show. And each video that you create and that you post is essentially its own episode, okay? And just alone, this signature format took a fitness client of mine from 60,000 followers to 1.5 million followers in 6 months. I'm gonna say that again. This alone, having a signature format, took a client of mine in the fitness space from 60,000 followers to 1.5 million followers in 6 months. And her entire thing was being your unapologetic, quote unquote, gym bestie. And these videos for her got millions every single time. It wasn't a, oh, I think this video is going to do well, or I hope this video is going to do well. No. Like this got millions when we did this series. These kept getting millions and even tens of millions on repeat. It almost became like you put a coin in the machine and you hit the slot machine and you knew you're going to win every single time. That good. And signature formats are exactly what some of the biggest creators that you've either seen or that you follow are doing. Think about someone like Jesha Stevens. She has completely dominated the baking niche. And she's found a format that she has repeated over and over and over again, and she goes viral every single time. Another one of my favorites is Trent. Trent has found a series where he goes to different stores and he shows you what to buy for fat loss. And those videos do well for him every single time. Or someone like Trent Miller, who has completely dominated the real estate space. He does this thing called speed tours. Well, he will literally speed through a home showing you all of the features. And the reason that works is because it's a pattern interrupt. Because what do most real estate agents do? They just show before and after photos. But Trent has found a new way to put a spin on it. Or for example, take Lisa Dubois, who is in Virginia. One of the things that she does is she plays hide and seek with all of her new listings. She's almost making it a game, right? But that's a series that her audience can now look forward to. Her content now becomes predictable and it becomes repeatable. Because when you make your content predictable, it then makes your audience feel comfortable with you. They almost come to expect it. And when they can expect this content, they're going to stay engaged, which is exactly what you want. And just a little tip with Instagram, they just released a new update where you can link a reel on your videos. And this is a literal cheat code for getting more views, getting more engagement, growing faster. Because if you are doing a signature series, well, you can link back to the video prior. So for example, if you're doing a series where it's a multi-day part series, day 7, a day 8, day 9, well, link the day before. Or if it's like part 27 or part 5, part 3, whatever it is, link the reel prior so people can follow the series. Because you never know what video someone's going to come across. And if you have it ready to where they can go now watch the other series, they're going to go down a rabbit hole. And guess what? The longer people stay on your page, the more you will grow. Why? Because the more time people spend with you, the more time they're watching your content, that's doing 2 things. Number 1, it's signaling to the algorithm, hey, this content, we should probably share it more with people because it's getting a lot of watch time. They're spending time on it. Let's share it with more people. Because guess what? If Instagram can send content to more people and they're going to watch more content, stay on the platform, guess what they get to do? They get to run more ads. And when they get to run more ads, they get to make more money. So you are helping them, but then they will help you. And the other thing is, when people spend more time with you, what are they doing? They're going to trust you more. Because when people spend that time with you, on not just one video, now it's 2, 3, 4, however many videos, they're going to be that much more likely to want to buy from you because they've spent more time with you. And by the way, if you are struggling with how to develop your signature series or how to build a signature series, I teach all of this inside of one video away, which is my entire 90-day program. And if you want more information about that, just check the description link below. You need to join. Number 2, stop making content for you. I'm going to hammer home on this very heavily with you, because if you are struggling to get views, to get engagement, to get followers, or even business from your content, this is exactly why. Most business owners and creators fail because they post content that they want to post, not what their audience obsessively cares about. I'm going to say that again. Most creators and business owners fail because they post content they want, not what their audience obsessively cares about. You need to stop making content for yourself. And you need to start making content for the person on the other end of the phone, the laptop, or the TV, whatever it is. And I am so sick and tired of the advice that's, oh, well, just post content that you like. Just post content that you're aligned with. Just post content that is your self-expression. Are you kidding me? Yes, you should be aligned with the content. Like, you should be energized about the content. You should love what you're putting out. Because number 1, other people will feel that. But number 2, if you don't believe what you're actually selling, don't expect anyone else to. But this whole notion that it's like, well, no, you shouldn't make content for other people. You should make content for you. I hate to break it to you, my friend, but the reason people are on social media is for them. They have a problem they want solved. They want to be entertained. They don't care about you. Other people do not care about you until they know you care about them. I'm going to let that sink. Other people do not care about you until they know you care about them. And I know that might trigger some people, but this is exactly why your business is not growing with your content and why you are not making any money from your social media. It's because you are not caring enough about the person on the other end of the phone. You care too much about yourself. Making content is about the other person. You have to care more about them than you care about you. And I want to give you 3 forms of content that you need to be focusing on when it comes to, well, what kind of content should I make? Let's just focus on 3. Number 1, trending topics. What are things that are happening right now that you can insert yourself into the conversation to show that you are staying on top of things, to show that you are staying in the know, that you are staying up to date with things? Like, what's happening in your world? If you think about fitness, is there something that happened within a certain celebrity that tried some diet that, I don't know, that maybe you want to react to? Think about real estate. Like, were there some tax cuts? Were there some interest rates that dropped? Like, what are things in your niche, in your industry that you can react to, that you can give your 2 cents on? That's number 1. Number 2, evergreen topics. When I say evergreen, these are things that no matter what time of year, what time of season someone's at in their life, this is the stuff that they are always going to be searching for. This is the stuff that they will always need help with. What are the common questions that maybe you get? And I really want you to think about this one, because most business owners and most entrepreneurs are like, well, I have no idea what to make. I have no idea what people want. Well, what are the questions you probably get over and over again that's quite literally staring at you in the face that you're just like, oh, that's what people have problems with? Because I guarantee you, if one person has that question, hundreds, thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people also have that question and need help. That's number 2. Number 3, explorative content. This is the content where I want you to put your own spin on things. I want you to give your voice on something. I want you to package it a certain way. I want you to try different formats. This is stuff that your audience may not always be searching for this, but they are interested in it. These could be different topics. For example, I'll relate it to myself. When I do different videos around, oh, like this style of content is blowing up, and it happens to be like the S tier video, where I'm showing you, hey, this is working for other people right now. Like, I know you're not searching for this style of video, but I'm telling you that this is something that's working right now. I'm going to show you how it's working and how you can do it. Again, you're not searching for that stuff, but it's stuff that you are interested in because you want to get more views, you want to get more followers, you want to grow your business. And if that kind of video could do well for you, well, I want to share with you because I want you to do it. And with the 3 forms of content that I want you to be creating, then you need to focus on a 3-step framework that I have that I want to give you and that you need to follow for every single video or piece of content you make. This could be a carousel, this could be a static image, whatever it is. This will instantly start giving you the results that you would want. And I'll explain the psychology behind it, okay? Let me talk you through this. So number 1 is pain and problem. What are you introducing? How are you introducing this? What are you talking about? How are you talking about it? This is where your hook matters a lot. Because you need to communicate to me as the person who's watching, why should I care about whatever it is that you were talking about today? Why should I care about whatever it is that you're showing me? And especially in today's day and age, specifically we're talking about Instagram, most people are like, well, you have 3 seconds. I think you have like a second. I don't know about you, but I even pay attention to how I scroll, and I'm just like, yeah, more, next, and like, I'm not even giving it I'm not even letting the person breathe. I'm just like, nope, next. Like, you have 1 to 3 seconds max. And if you are growing a business or you are trying to grow your business on social media, odds are you are trying to sell a solution to a problem that someone has. So what is the problem that you are introducing? How are you introducing this problem? Why should I care about this problem? Is this a problem that I struggle with? This is all to do with the pain and the problem. That's number one. And psychologically, what you need to be doing with your content is getting your audience to say yes. So within the pain and the problem, are you introducing it in a clear way that gets the audience to be like, yep, that's me. Yes, that's me. That's the first yes. The second yes is proof. Why should I believe you? Do you have the numbers to back it up? Do you have studies? Do you have testimonials? Do you have photos? Do you have videos? This shows to the person watching that you do know what you're talking about and that you can be trusted. This is the second yes, right? Because now I can see it and be like, okay, yeah, I see, yep, got it. That's me. And now number 3, the payoff. This is the most important because this is where 99% of creators, business owners, and maybe even you have gone wrong because this is the stuff, this is the glue that holds your videos together. What's in it for the other person watching? What can they go do as a result after watching? Right? For example, I talked about Trent, who is a great fitness creator. By the way, I will add him in the description below so you know who I'm talking about. He's a fantastic fitness creator who goes to places like Costco or Trader Joe's, and he shows you different things to buy to lose fat. Well, what does that do for me? I can literally now go to Trader Joe's or to Costco and go buy that thing. Like, I can go do it immediately, right away. And this is the key, is that you need to minimize the amount of time it takes for someone to be able to implement or take action on whatever it is that you are trying to teach them. And you need to ensure that what you are teaching them, that you can allow them to take action on it and repeat it over and over and over again. So whatever food it is at Costco that I should go get, well, I can go take action on it, but guess what? I can keep buying it. I can keep seeing a new result over and over and over again. The same thing with your content. But I want to make this clear. The payoff is the most important aspect. Yes, your hook matters a lot, but ultimately the payoff in terms of what's in it for the other person on the other end of the phone matters a lot more. And if you do not have that clear, do not bother making a single piece of content. I mean this, like I'm really, really serious about this. You need to be very clear on what is the other person gaining out of this. Because like I mentioned, people are selfish. When people go to social, it's for them. Like when I'm on there, I'm like, I want to learn something. I want to be entertained. Whatever it is, like those are my goals. That's what I selfishly want. Well, that's how other people are thinking too. And so when you meet them where they are, and when you give them what they want, then you win. And that is getting them to say yes for the 3rd time. Because when they know what's in it for them, now they're like, well, I'm going to trust you more. Like, you got them to say yes 3 times. And when you do that with every single piece of content, I promise you, it's not a matter of if you will win. It's only a matter of when. Number 3, retention triggers. This is how you make people watch until the end. Because here's the thing. Instagram does not reward you for having the best idea. It rewards you for having a video that people actually watch. And you could have the best idea in the world, but if people are not watching past the first 3 seconds, it doesn't matter what your topic was. It's irrelevant. This is where the packaging comes into play for all of your content. And there's 3 simple rules that you can apply immediately when it comes to packaging, okay? Number 1, open loops. This is where you tease something at the beginning and you pay it off at the end. Because it's an open curiosity loop for us to where it's like, ooh, that's interesting. Or, oh yes, I'm curious. Like I want to know what that is. It creates that internally for you and you have to close that. Us as human beings, psychologically, when we hear an open loop, we have to close it. It's like that mental itch that we have to scratch. Number 2, pattern interrupts. Can you change the angle when you're filming? Can you show a graphic? Can you show a video on the screen? Can you show different things that keeps the video engaging? Again, if applicable, if you need to be doing this, otherwise don't abuse it. Number 3, mini payoffs. These need to almost act as a reward for the audience watching because it shows that you value their time and they don't want to feel like they're wasting their time. People who are watching content don't want to feel like they just spent a waste of 10 minutes watching a video or a waste of however long, and then they're like, oh, I never want to do that again. If you can keep people on the platform, you are making Instagram money and they will reward you because they know you're doing a good job of keeping them on the platform and watching. And if people don't feel like their time is being wasted, and instead you are offering a piece of value or you're offering a takeaway or offering something they can go gain or they can learn, like if you're offering these little things throughout the video, they're going to look at that as like, that was a great video. I learned a lot. That was amazing. Like it's like these little checkpoints that they need to go through. And an example that I want to illustrate for you that talks about this perfectly is when I make videos talking about Instagram updates. Okay, so I made a video talking about how Instagram had a couple different updates, and the video went like this. I said, Instagram just dropped 2 massive updates, but the second one might make you upset. Well, I'm making it clear with the videos that I added an open loop of, okay, there's 2 updates. And then I said, well, the second one might make you upset. Immediately you're like, well, I want to know because I want to know if it's actually going to make me upset or not, right? And then throughout the video, I'm like showing examples, I'm showing graphics, I'm showing videos. Like I'm giving different payoffs and different things throughout that act as a reward because I value your time and I don't want you to feel like you're wasting it. And so before you know it, wow, that was a 45-second video. Holy cow, I didn't even realize that. Right? And that's the name of the game, is when you can keep people watching, when you can retain them longer and have them stay on the platform, have them stay on your videos, you will be rewarded. And when you can check all of these 3 things, I promise you, Instagram for you will not even be on easy mode. It'll be on like effortless mode, as if you can just flip the camera on and you know exactly what to do. You know exactly what to make. And it is so effortless. It is so easy because Instagram is on easy mode right now. And if you are struggling with growing on Instagram or you are struggling with growing on social media, number 1, you need to join One Video Away because it should not feel difficult. Social media and Instagram should not feel tough. It should not feel difficult with making content. And if you struggle with video ideas or how to package stuff or how to even create content or who you're talking to, we solve all of that in One Video Away. So check the description below. So I hope this helped. And if you want to grow on social media or you just want to make better content, please make sure to subscribe. And apparently YouTube said this is the best video for you to watch next. So click it, check it out, and I'll see you there.